Hello, and welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, where we tackle the random game, don't edit it, and of course try to learn a trick or two. If you're new to this, there is a playlist on this channel titled Let's Play Solitaire with plenty of games just like today's. And if you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's a playlist titled Solitaire Tips with all kinds of good stuff. My favorite two videos are listed right here. Let's go ahead and get started with the actual game, right? Okay. I like to go columns first most of the time. Sometimes you got to deviate from that. So that's what we're going to do here. And we need to open up a column for one of these two kings. We'll see what we can do here. So nothing in the draw pile yet. Nothing yet. 7-6. Red queen. Oh, we can play the 5. I think we're going to play it too. Yeah, we're going to play. Okay, so this is going to give us some space here. We can play the jack, 10, and I think, yeah, that's going to be the play here. The only thing, the other option that we're missing here, I think that's a better option, is we can't play the 6 clubs, but we may be able to play the 6 later on, so I'm going to not play that like it is. If it was early in the draw pile, I might change it. So we get 2 kings. We're going to see which one is a better option. If either of them are, so that we can do that one there. That's a dead end. However, if we have a red queen, we may want to consider that. That is a dead end as well. So red queen and a black 7 are 2 cards we want to be looking for. And actually, we can play the 6. So red queen, black 7, or a 5 are the 2 cards we're looking for here. Oh, we have a red queen right there, don't we? Yeah, we got 2 red queens right there. So, all right, red queen, black 7, or 5. So there's the black 7. I think that's the route we're going to go. So there's the 8. There's the black 7, and that might lead us somewhere. That's good. Do we open up the other column? No. But a black queen will get us an open column. So we're creating some space to work, and we might be able to solve this if we can continue to do that. Oh, that's great. That's a great card right there. I'm a little hesitant to play this, but I'm going to. Just because I want to move some stuff around. Let's see, nothing there. This 5 is going to be a card we want to play this 5 of hearts. That's going to be a big card. So I might have to undo some stuff. We'll see. Oh, there's the red queen, so we're going to play that there. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, that was right. Okay, red queen. So now, oh, we can play this 5 right here. Okay. Had a lot of stuff going there, so we don't need the 5 hearts. All right. This is why I was hesitant to play the 2 of spades. But I don't think it's holding us up yet. So we can play this. Let's play this king and see where we're at. Ace of spades. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. Okay. So we made some progress. We've just got to look through and see if we can make some more progress here. So the really good news is this is our insurance card. We're going to save this. We're not going to play it yet. But that's going to allow us to maneuver a lot of stuff around. And like this jack. And I'll show you what I mean in just a minute here. So there's no moves right there, right? Okay. So this is a mistake that's made a lot of the times. Like, okay, we play the 3. We play the 2. No. Time out. You want to see what's behind here. So you click on the card, and you see there's a jack, there's a 7, there's a 5. We can play this jack of spades, but we can't play this 5. So what we're going to do is click undo. So we start here, and we say, well, we want to play this jack of spades. So how many cards do we need to move to show up the jack of spades? We need to move 1. So that means we're not going to move this 2 of clubs. We will move it the next time around or the time after that, but we're not going to move it now. And the reason why is we need the jack of spades so we can, put the 10 over here. So, okay. And this 9 is going to be a very important card as well. Actually, more important than that jack, because now we can move this 8, open up one of these 2 big columns, and maybe work something out. So we're going to go back again. Okay. There's the jack. Not going to play that yet because we have this 9 right here. We're going to play that and the 8. And we'll see where this leads us. Okay. That is a 6. That is not the card we want to see. But we're going to see if we can work something out here. We can move this 5 down. And we're just going to kind of take it one card at a time here. So there is another 10. The question is if there's a 9. We'll see here. There's another red 10. Sorry, the 10 of diamonds, I believe. I was debating whether or not I would have played that. I think... Let's see. I think what we're going to do is we're going to play this jack. And then we can't play the 7. So I think we're going to play everything at once here. So 2 of clubs. We'll move this 10 here. We'll bring the king down. I think the other option is we don't bring that king down. So we don't bring that king down. We can't touch the 5 of spades. The 10 of diamonds we can't touch. It's becoming a little bit tricky here. Let's go back again. I think we're going to have to do some wholesale things differently. I don't know. We might not be able to solve it from this angle. There is one other angle I'm thinking about. And I think we're going to have to try that. Because I think this is a dead end at this spot. Yeah, it's a dead end at this spot. So the next thing you have to ask is, what else could you do differently? Or what can you do? And the only thing I really see that we could do differently is we could take this 6 of spades, put it where this 6 of clubs is. So that means we're going to have to go back quite a few moves. But that might be the only thing, because the way we're doing it right now obviously doesn't work. So we're going to go back quite a bit. If you want, you can fast forward a few seconds here. What I'm keying in on, is this 6. I'm going to try to swap it out here and see if that is even feasible. I can't remember where that 6 came from, so 6 of clubs. Use the card we're keying in on, so let's hold back here. 6 of clubs came from here, so that's good. That's good. That means we just won't play it. Okay. So I'm trying to remember here. This one had a king, so a red queen. And this one, red queen or black 7 is what we need. So I think the black 7 is the one we play first, right? Okay. We play the black 7 there. And that was a huge one for us because we opened up a lot of stuff. And then remember, we have the space for the 6 once we play that 7. So again, we don't want to play the black 7. We want to play the 7 of spades. That's what we're trying to key on here. Let's see if this bears out here. So nothing there, nothing. Let's see, nothing there. Let's see, it's not working. Oh, we still have this one here, don't we? Let's just see. That was the 5. Oh, that was a problem, wasn't it? Let's go back. I'm going to go back a little bit more here. So this king we had to play. This one led us to... I'm going to try that angle and see if we can open something up. Or one of the columns that way. So we play the 4, 3, 2. Now let's play this king. Okay, ace of spades. 2. I think I'm doing it backwards. I think I have to go this king first. And we can't play the 6. Though we do have this 3 as insurance, so that's good. Oh no, we can play this. We can play this. So we'll play the 3. We'll come back and play the jack next time around. I've already explained my thinking there, so it should We will play the jack, not yet. Yeah, I guess we're going to play the jack. So I don't know yet on this 2 of clubs. I think we had to play a 2 club. Okay. So we're just not going to play the king this time. And that, maybe we can do it, maybe we can't. So we'll be able to play this black 7, and then we'll be able to move the 6 here, and then maybe... We're saving the 6 of spades. That was what the card we were saving for later. We could play this black 7 too. I think I'm going to be inclined to play this one. And then we can play this 9. Yeah, this 9 is going to be a card we want to play too. So, got a big menu here. There's a 9 of hearts as well, right? 9 of... Okay. So, again, as always, we're going to play from the back. So that means we're going to skip on a few cards and then try to maneuver here. And it looks like we're not going to skip here. We don't have the move there. So, okay, the 7. There's the 6. That's the 2. And, oh, another 9. I think we're going to play this 9 instead. Okay. So we want to be able to play this 9. I don't know if that's going to be able to happen here. That may be a problem. And we can't play the 6. I want to play it, but can't play it. Oh, no. Because there's a 6 under here that's holding this up. Oh, boy. This is going to be tricky. You see if there's another way to do this here. No, no. I don't want to go that route. Let's just see where this goes one more time. 2, 3. It's a dead end there. Okay. Gotta back it up a little bit. We need to play the black 9. That's like a critical card. So we got to figure out how to get that in the draw pile. The black 9 is a very critical card. So right here, I think we needed to move 1 card to get to the black 9. And that's what we're going to do. We'll play this 7 instead of the 7 in the very front. Because that other route I took just isn't working. So we'll see where this goes. We'll be able to play this black 9. We'll play the 8. And we'll see if we can work something out here. So that's going to be the new plan. And again, we're not touching the 6. There's the black 9. There's the 8. There's the 6. Oh, that's going to lead us somewhere. Now we can play the ace of clubs. We can move the 7. We can move this 8 here. We can move the 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds. We can move the 10. And maybe if we get a red 10, we should be able to move this 9 here. Oh, wow. Red 10 right there. That's good. Okay, got to be smart with it, how we maneuver around this draw pile here. If we can do that, we might have a chance here. So this is going to be our insurance card. That's great because that gives us a ton of options. And I'm going to play from the back like I did the last couple times. So 9 here. We'll play the 8 there. The queen. 3 of hearts. And yay! We're going to solve it. We're going to solve it shortly. Let's see. We can play this. We can't play that. But again, I'm going to play conservative out at the back of the draw pile just because I want to maximize the number of moves we get. So the 7 can be played. We'll play the 7 here. We're only going to play at because we're going to drop the 7 of spades next time. So here we go. There's the 7 of spades. The question is, can we play the 5 and the... Well, no. You know what? We're going to play the rest of these cards. So 2 of clubs. King right there. And then 6... 5, and we're going to solve it right there. Pretty sweet. Got that one done. That was a tough one. I was getting a little nervous at the end, but got to think clearly and see if there's an extra move or two. We were able to do it. We got it done. yeah, pretty sweet. We got it done. Anyway, if you like this sort of thing, there's a playlist with games just like today's. Some of them not as hard. Some of them are challenging at this level too. It's titled Let's Play Solitaire. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's a Solitaire tips playlist. The best 2 videos in there, in my opinion, are How to Win at Solitaire and Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. Although you may want to have an extra half hour to watch those because there's quite a bit of stuff in there. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.